job.
Now she's not gonna do it.
You gotta
shut it off. You gotta clean up some more.
Over here, no rug. Over
There's
here.
a mess over there. You gotta clean it up. Clean it up over there. Clean the rug. Yes. Good girl. Oh, good job.
Aspira.
Oh, look at you.
Sì,
On the floor.
Perché la vuoi usare adesso?
Sì, è piccola, bella, comoda.
Press the button. Arianna, over here.
Okay, we
Press
got
the
the
button.
button. Press the button.
Hit the
Yep,
button.
good job. Turn it on.
Clean up.
Yay.
Yeah.
Okay, now clean up the floor. Look how she goes like this. She knows how to do it. Oh, good. Yes.
Ha visto il padre.
Good job, you cleaning the
Non ha visto la madre, no? Una volta sola.
Alright, go clean the living room. Go.
So clean the living room.
Ormai è registrato.
Go. Over there. Go clean over there. Clean on the floor.
You gotta get a Dyson for that,
Clean on the floor. Go. Go clean it.
Adesso la sera stessa lì, comincia a andare a pulire il giro.
She's shy. Don't look at her. Don't look at her.
È rimasto paralizzato.
Go clean over there. Over there. It's a mess.
Oh, scusa. Vieni.
Luciano? Daddy? What? Clean it. Clean it.
Ma te ne vuoi c'era, va? Yeah. Yeah, I told someone to put a pizza out. Nice. It's the guys who
Yeah!
I saw a pizza or somebody else.
She's cleaning.
She's checking out if maybe the filter is full now. The bag is full.
All I know is she should be happy as a pig in shit when she comes home.
Clean up! Clean up!
Good girl. Thank you.
Wow!
Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Up. Up the button. Press the button.
Now turn it on. Turn it on.
Yeah.
Yeah!
You did it. Yay.
Clean
Just
up!
like most kids would just walk with it, she actually does this. Oh, that's